Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple crochet triangle shawl. It's only 2 rows repeating. 1 row we increase our shawl, 1 row we fill that chains with triples. I use triples, but if you want you can use double crochet. It's so simple, only makes with chains and triples. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful and so simple triangle shawl. Let's start to crochet. I use in my shawl size 3 yarn. It's 100 grams is equal to 240 meters nearly. So I use, and I want to make it soft, so I use 4.5 millimeter hook with that yarn, but it comes so big to your hands. You can change your hook which you will feel comfortable with crocheting. Okay, in this sample I will show you, this is yarn art jeans, and its thickness is so near. So I will show you with this yarn art jeans. First of all, make a magic ring. You can start with 7 chains, but I prefer to start with magic ring. You will make a circle like that, then grab your yarn, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Count as your first triple. Yarn over twice, insert into same space, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 2, yarn over twice, insert here and make one more triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1 and make 3 triple here. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, make 3 triple more. 1, 2, 3, and the last set make 3 triple again. 1, 2 and 3. Pull that little yarn tightly and close this hole. We will make here 4 groups with contains 3 triples, between of them 1 chain. Then I will take these 2 yarns together and lock this magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 for my triple, 1, 2, 3 for my space. Turn my work. Insert my hook from the bottom of this 7 chains here, very first stitch, and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to chain 1 space and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to center, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and make center, make your increase. This is the first increase. Second, on the center, insert into the same chain 1 space, middle chain 1 space, and make 1 more single crochet here. 1, 2, 3 chains. Skip this 3 triple, come to next chain 1, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to last stitch, top, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. You remember we make here 1 increase. Yarn over twice, insert into the same, grab your yarn and make your triple. Pull through 2 loops every time. 1 increase here, second increase here, and the third is here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, and turn my work. Yarn over twice, come to first chain 3 and make here 3 triple. 1, 2, 3. chain 1, yarn over twice, come to next space, make here 1, 2, 3, chain 1, yarn over twice, come to next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and yarn over twice, come to center. Center we will make 3 triple, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make 3 triple more, 1, 2, 3. Make your center, chain 1, yarn over twice and make 3 triple in every chain 3 space. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my speed from the right of the screen, 3 dots. Click here and drop my video speed. 2, 3, chain 1, come to last and make 1, 2, 3, and last, you remember we start with chain 4, yarn over twice and insert into the last stitch stop and finish with last triple. Don't forget this. Now we are on the chain round. You will always repeat those 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 for my triple. Add 3 more, 5, 6, 7, my 3 chain space, and make my first increase, insert into the bottom of the very first stitch and join with a single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3 chains, come to next chain 1, join with a single, 1, 2, 3 chains, come to next, join with a single, 1, 2, 3, come to next, join with a single, 1, 2, 3, come to center, join with a single. On the center, 1, 2, 3, insert into the same space and make 1 more single. 1, 2, 3, come to next, 1, 2, 3, come to next space, 1, 2, 3, come to next space, join with a single, 1, 2, 3, come to last, skip 3, insert here, and make your last increase, 1, 2, 3, and insert into the last stitch stop and finish with triple, 1, 2, 3. Okay, your first increase here, second, center, this is the third, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn your work, yarn over twice, come to first chain 3 space and make here 3 triple, chain 1, come to next space, 3 triple, chain 1, come to next, 3 triple, come to next, 3 triple, come to next, 3 triple, and I come to center, chain 1 and come to center, insert chain 3 space, make here 3 triple, chain 1 and make 3 triple more in the same space for turn to the other side easily. Then it's the same as you will make every chain 3 space, make 3 triple, then come to last stitch, you will make here your last triple, chain 7 and turn and insert into the very first stitch and make your first increase. Then chain 3, come to chain 1 space, chain 3, chain 1 space, join with a single crochet. So you will repeat always second and the third row, which size you want. If you want to use as a caul, you will need minimum 110 or 120 centimeter. If you want to use a big triangle shawl, you will need minimum 160 centimeter minimum. I will make it more bigger and I will show you on my Instagram. Okay, I hope you will like it and you will try. It's so simple. If you are a beginner crocheter, you can make this pattern easily. It's only 2 rows repeating and so easy. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.